This year DJI's Mini drone is going pro, still right under that all-important 249-gram weight, which means you are not required to register the drone with most authorities. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a more premium drone than its predecessor. For starters, it gets a new 1 by 1.3-inch sensor with a bright focus aperture of 1.7 that should fare better in all kinds of light. The sensor is a 48 megapixel unit and can shoot in full resolution 48 megapixel or in VINT 12 megapixel mode. The lens itself is a 24 mm, the same wide as the Mini 2 but narrower than the Air 2's 20 mm lens. In terms of video, the DJI Mini 3 Pro UPS the ant over its predecessor. It can record 4K video up to 60 fps and 4K HDR video up to 30 fps. In addition to the normal color profile, there is the flutter decentralized, however it's 8-bit video, not 10-bit like on the Air 2s. The 3-axis gimbal of the DJI Mini 3 Pro can rotate vertically to produce that portrait-style TikTok and Reels audio video and photo also. Another huge improvement over the DJI Mini 2 is obstacle avoidance. While that drone only had downward sensors, the Mini 3 Pro has forward, backward and downward sensors. They allow the DJI Mini 3 Pro to support autonomous flight modes like Spotlight 2.0, Point of Interest 3.0, and Active Track 4.0 and Master Shots. There is a hyperlapse as well. Flight time has been slightly increased from the Mini 2's 31 minutes to 34 minutes with the standard intelligent flight battery. There is an optional Intelligent Flight Battery Plus that comes with the Fly More combo, which increases the flight time to a whopping 47 minutes. Though that cell requires the faster DJI 30-watt charger and moves the drone past the non-regulation 249-gram weight. The DJI Mini 3 Pro can capture H.264 and H.265 video up to 150 Mbps, up from 100 Mbps on the Mini 2. There is a zoom mode in the video, 2x in 4K and 4x in 1080 pixel. Slow motion capture is done in either 4K at 60 fps or 1080 at 120 fps. Looking at the specs, the DJI Mini 3 Pro is closer to the Air 2s than the Mini 2. The bigger drone has better obstacle avoidance, is faster and uses bigger sensor. But the new Mini 3 Pro is close on all of these fronts. DJI is introducing a new DJI RC controller with a 5.5-inch 700-nit display built in. It's lighter and cheaper than the previous DJI RC Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is on sale from today. You have a choice of 3 tires. The DJI Mini 3 Pro with the standard RC N1 controller for €829. The DJI Mini 3 Pro with the new RC controller for €999. And just the drone without a controller going for €739. You can order the DJI Mini 3 Pro today with shipments expected to commence on May 17. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I have put the link of this product in the description box below. Please check it out, and if you like the video, feel free to share with your friends.